So yesterday afternoon on my way to work, I lost third and fourth. So I'm just trying to get home now. 37-mile trip at 3,000 RPM. Transmission was friggin' overheating. My temperature gauge was up to like 240 or so. I was trying to get it home now. No check engine light though. I already called around. I ordered up a used transmission that's got way more miles than this. But I told them I was going to keep this one, so I'll probably get it rebuilt. It sucks. You know, I haven't driven this in a week, and then this thing goes and happens. And it's a 1-year anniversary of me totaling my GTO, and it pretty much started this just about where I totaled my GTO too. Oh boy. So that'll be my next project. I don't know when I'll get around to doing that. I haven't decided if I'm gonna have to do it in the driveway or bring it to the shop. I don't have a transmission jack. I don't want to spend $300 on one. So I might just do it in the driveway and get the jack attachment. But yeah, that really sucks. Especially when this has only got 85, almost 86,000 miles. I was in denial. I mean, I was having issues between 3 and 4 anyways. It liked to stay in third until it got warmed up, and then it would start shifting into fourth. And I was like, yeah, it just needed to warm up, but oh well. It is what it is. Later, people.